Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Rhino Linux. So we have already installed the Rhino Linux in the last video, and in this video we are going to check out the desktop of Rhino Linux. Let us start. This is the login screen of Rhino Linux. You only get one session, that is the unicorn session. You have got the language selection, the accessibility features. Three features are there: large text, high contrast and on-screen keyboard. Finally you have got the calendar. I think it is not working. It should show the calendar. Then you have got the power menu. In the center of the screen you can see the user that has been configured during the installation, and the password field is there. And on the left top you can see the name of the system that has been installed. Let us start and log in into the desktop. So it has scaled the resolution properly. The wallpaper, still you can see four wallpapers are there. So resolution for wallpaper is not proper, but screen resolution is okay. It has scaled to the screen, but yes, now it is okay. So wallpaper is now properly scaled. So there is this welcome screen. Let us check out the welcome screen. Let's start. So color scheme, you want light or dark shade. So we will go with the light one. Now it gives you offer to install free package managers. Either you can go with the Flatpak. So you will have all the Flatpak applications only. You can use the Ubuntu Snap. So if you choose this, the Snap package manager will be installed, and whatever the applications you will going to install in the future, all will be Snap. And there is app image only package manager. So if you just install the package manager, then only the app image will be installed. Flatpak and snaps won't be available, but of course you can go with multiple package managers. It will be not a problem. So you can have Flatpak plus snap, you can have Flatpak plus app image, you can have snap plus Flatpak, snap plus app image only. So different variations you can do. So what we are going to do is, let us install the Flatpak, and there is also option to install the Flatpak beta channel. So if you are crazy about latest releases of different softwares, you can go with the Flatpak beta channel. I am not going to do that. And if you want, you can install Snap, and if you want, you can install app image also. So what we will do is, let us install all the three except this beta channel for Flatpak. Next. Now there are some extra changes. So Nala is an alternative front end to APT, featuring a beautiful Unix UI UX, not Unix, sorry, UI UX. So whenever you do the transactions for APT in the terminal, so that time Nala will be used. Then GitHub command line interface, if you want, you can do that. And Apport is a crash reporting system, improving the stability of your system. So we are going to install this. We can use the GitHub command line also. So GitHub will be available via the command line if you want. So we can do that also. Let us try to install everything. Next, you have to give the password. So the actual installation of the package manager and the other features of the system will start. You have to wait for the changes to be applied. I think it will offer to install the updates also, because this is a fresh system, so updates will be definitely there. And I am using the ISO image. It is little old, maybe 1 month or more old, so definitely there will be some updates available. So we wait for the updates and installation to finish. Meanwhile, we can check out the interface of this desktop. So this is nothing but a modified XFCE desktop. You have got the power menu at the top left. Then the setup wizard is right now running. On the right side, what is this? This is the core tile. So core tile is a tiling manager. It is for the this Rhino Linux. You can see here. Then there is notifications area. What is that? Network manager is there. Volume control is there. You can also access the audio mixer from here. The calendar is there. So this is the XFC calendar. Then this is the battery manager. You have got the presentation mode and the settings for the battery. Okay, so something went wrong. Please contact the distribution developers. So I think it has failed. But you have got the idea what is available via the welcome app. Now let us check out the search bar is there. So you can search, for example, let me search Nala. What happens? Let us see. So here you can see use the terminal command line. So Nala is available via the terminal emulator. So it works. It is a wrapper on the APT. So you can use Nala in the terminal only and Nala in Thunar file manager. So if there is any file named Nala, you can find it via the Thunar file manager, or you can use Nala via the terminal emulator. So it is working. So it is a system-wide search. Then let us try to open Opera. So Opera customize the look of your desktop. So why it is Opera is opening this? Let us try to. So it is opening up the appearance. I don't know why Opera is opening up the appearance settings for the XFC desktop. Okay, so this is the application grid. So on clicking, you can see the application grid is there. So these are all the applications. So all typical XFC applications are there. Plus some of them are from the Rhino Linux. Okay, so now what we will do is we'll go back. So Firefox is available. Then the Thunar file manager is there. So let us check the version of Thunar file manager. It is okay. So there is no version here available to check. So the version is not available. We will go in system report on that. We will check which version is that. So the Firefox update is available. So we are going to dismiss the update. Let us check out the version of Firefox. So the version is 120. So it must be the latest one. Okay, so let us move ahead. What is VS Codium? So this is some coding application, VS Codium. Then you have got the terminal, XFC terminal is there. So VS Codium is available as default. So this desktop will be appealing to the developers. You can see here. This is the welcome screen of the VS Codium. We are not going in detail of VS Codium. Now let us check out the system configuration, the system version and all those things. So the motherboard, it is showing unknown. Chipset is Ryzen 5 4600H. Memory 4 GB, disk okay. Kernel is 6.6.7. So quite the latest kernel. Not the latest, but among the latest kernels. It is just one or two minor versions behind the latest kernel from the kernel.org. Desktop is Unicorn. So it is a modded desktop. XFC has been modded for the Rhino Linux. Operating system is Rhino Linux 2023.4 mainline. And you can do the system upgrade from here. So now what I will do is we will keep this minimized. Meanwhile, let us check out the task manager. Let us see how much memory resource usage is there. So you can see resource usage around 1.1 GB of RAM has been used. 279 processes are running. CPU usage is around 1 to 4%. So it is quite stable. So it is not heavy on CPU usage. Memory is on the higher side for XFC desktop, but because there are many Rhino Linux applications and you can see a lot of applications are there. You can see it here. That's why the memory usage is little on the higher side. Okay, so now what we will do is we will let us try the system upgrade. So let us see if the system upgrade works. Yes, you can now watch the terminal here. Very you can say colorful terminal and very neat looking terminal. You can see around 1 GB of download is there. So let us do the upgradation of system here. Let us check out the upgradation whether it works, if we are successful in upgrade, and then in the next video we will check out the other functionalities, features of this Rhino Linux XFCE desktop. So this is how the upgrade works here. This is the progress bar. So now let us wait for the upgrade to complete. So now it is extracting the templates from the packages. So there is some information on the this window inside the terminal. So package configuration. Now the information is regarding configuring of the keyboard configuration. So you need a way to toggle between the keyboard between national layout and the standard Latin layout. Right alter or caps lock keys are often chosen for the ergonomic reasons. In the latter case, use the combination shift caps lock for normal caps toggle. Alter shift is also popular combination. It will, however, lose its usual behavior in Emacs and other programs that use it for specific needs. So what we will do is we will use the right alter combination only. Say yes, and then we have to select the right alter combination. Now use the tab key and select OK, press OK. Please select the mail server configuration type that best meets your need. So one option is no configuration. It should be chosen to leave the current configuration unchanged, internet side. So what we will do is we will say OK and we will choose no configuration because we don't want to configure the mail server. We are not going to check this out in our review. So there is no need. So we will just use the tab key, select OK, press OK and let the upgrade go ahead. So download of new packages was less, but the upgrade is going to affect much more packages. The services installed on your system which need to be restarted when certain libraries such as libpam, libc and libssl are upgraded. Since these restarts may cause interruptions of service for the system, you will normally be prompted on each upgrade for the list of services you wish to restart. You can choose this option to avoid getting prompt. Instead, all necessary restarts will be done for you automatically, so you can avoid being asked questions for each library upgrade. So you have to choose yes, because we know that no critical service is running in background, and any service that is required to be upgraded and restarted automatically is safe. So there are no clients that will suffer if any service is restarted. For example, in the mail server, if the mail server service is restarted, the mail server is not configured and it is not going to affect any clients. So you have to say okay. Restart services during package upgrades without asking. So you have to say yes. And now the upgrade will continue till the end. Most probably there will be no further prompts or inputs required from the user. Now it is updating the init ramfs or the boot image again, and I think there is a new module, kernel module. So new kernel is there, so it will update the kernel modules, that is DKMS also for the new kernel. The new kernel is I think 6.6.7, and I think 6.6.8 will also come. You can see the network manager is getting updated. The older configuration file has been removed. A new configuration file is done. So the connection was lost momentarily. It is again reconnected automatically by itself. And finally, you can see the new kernel will be installed. The boot image will get updated. Okay, so the installation is complete. There are some warnings. Whenever you do the system upgrade, you have to always check the warnings, because some critical warnings might be there, and you will know beforehand whether your system is going to boot successfully into the we can say desktop or not. So that you can know from this different notices and warnings that are shown after the this upgrade is complete or upgrade is incomplete. So the warnings will be thrown. You have to check the warnings like this. So that's it. I will now stop the video here. So we have checked the welcome app. We have checked the overall, we can say, a small part of the system also. The we can say user interface. We have checked in partially. We have checked the different applications that are available. So in the next video, we will check out some more features, some more applications that are available in the Rero Linux. So see you in the next video. And you have also seen how the Nala wrapper, it improves the terminal. So the terminal output is shown in more we can say neat and clean way, and more it is more beautified, and it is attractive for the eyes, and it helps to uh, get the user focused, because the data is neatly laid out in the screen of the terminal. So let this complete, and then I will stop the video. We will meet in the next video, where we will check out the more features that are pending to be checked in Reno Linux. We will also definitely try out some of the main desktops, how the desktops can be installed in Reno Linux. Also, any other things like the wallpapers and all, everything we will check out all the facets one by one, because in one video it is very difficult to show you everything, because nowadays more and more features get added to the operating systems, and it becomes difficult to cover everything in one video. We can do that. We can squeeze make short clips from the bigger videos, and then we can stitch all those clips and make it, but then you will not get any information. You will not get the feel of the different features. In the way I am doing the videos, you can get the feel of each of the feature, each of the application, apps, packages of the system. But if I do everything in one video, you will not get the feel of the system. You can see now, right now it is installing all those different themes that were updated. Plus, I think it is installing the different package managers that we had selected in the this your welcome app. So when the welcome app was checked out, we had tried to install all the three package managers. So that is getting installed right now. It's installing the printer service, Guten Print. Printer drivers are getting installed. So it is making the system ready for the use. You can see the cups, filters, cup drivers are getting installed. So when the system is installed, the ISO does not contain the full installation of this all these peripheral things like printers uh, and other things. So when the system upgrade is done, it is all everything is automatically triggered. You can see here. I had not done anything. It has started automatically after the system upgrade was complete. I think it should stop now. Whenever we reach the man DB, you have to know that man DB is the final stage of installation. Man DB is nothing but the manual database. So every time the installation or uninstallation is done, the manual database is always updated. Older manual files will be removed. So if you are uninstalling, and if you are installing or if you are upgrading, the newer manual pages will be added and the database will be always updated. So now Rhino core is getting updated. You can see it is installing the Linux headers. Up to Debian Buster, the Linux kernel along with the headers was automatically pulled in Debian. So whenever you try to install new kernel in Debian Buster, it will automatically pull the header. But from Bookworm onwards, the header and this main kernel are different. So you can just install the kernel without the header. So here, if you remember, during the system upgrade, only the main kernel was updated, but the header was not installed. But now the header is getting installed and configured while it is installing the Rhino core. So it is part of the Rhino core application. Maybe you can see the new kernel 6.8.6 is there. So earlier it was, I think, 6.6.7. So now it's 6.8.6 is there. That is getting installed. This will be the last, I think, package to get installed. After that, the installation should stop. Let's see. So it is error is there, failed to install. Okay, so now I think the Rhino core and other Rhino based applications have been upgraded, and the main system has been already upgraded before. So now complete upgradation has been done, and we can stop the video here. Next video we will check out the different features of Rhino Linux. Bye bye, see you.